Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to start with fire insurance claim question number 1. Let's come to the question now. The question is in front of you now. You can notice they have given you a question. A fire occurred in the premises of Kailash and Company. So fire occurred in whose premises? Kailash and Company on 30th September 2013. So I can say it is the date of fire. From the following particulars relating to the period from 1st April 2013 to 30th September 13, you are required to ascertain the amount of claim to be filed with the insurance company for the loss of stock. So it is a data given for which period? 1st April, from 1st April 2013 to 30th September 2013. The company has taken insurance policy of rupees 75,000. So policy amount is given 75,000, which is subject to an average clause. So there could be an average clause. The value of the goods salvage was estimated at rupees 27,000. So your salvage amount is rupees 27,000. So key things we have underlined in this question. You can notice that it is a fire in whose premises? Kailash and Company. On what day? 30th September 2013. Right? And details are given for the period 1st April 13 up to 30th September 13. Now here we have to think. Data is given up to the date of fire. Data is given up to the date of fire. From which date? 1st April 2013. Can I say data is given from the first day of the year up to the date of fire? So can I say this period is relevant for your memorandum trading account, right? You have to find out the policy amount, we have to find out the amount of claim, to be filed with the insurance company for loss of stock, okay. Company has taken the insurance policy of rupees 75,000, which is subject to an average clause. तो उनके policy में average clause है. Salvage amount is given 27,000. Average rate of gross profit is readily given 20% throughout the period. So can I say when gross profit rate is given, we need not to prepare trading account for the past period because GP rate is readily available. So I need not to prepare last year's trading account. Now let's read the data which is given to you. Importantly, you have to understand that this data is applicable in your memorandum trading account either on debit side or on credit side. Let's go through the data. Let us decide where this amount can be placed. Opening stock. Your opening stock will appear on the debit side of your memorandum trading account. Purchases made. ये भी कहाँ पे appear हो जाएगा sir? Debit side of your memorandum trading account. Wages paid, including the wages for installation of machinery, amount is 75,000. Once again, it is also debited in your memorandum trading account. But importantly, the wages for installation of machinery will be subtracted from this. So 75,000 will become this 75,000. This 75,000 will become 70,000. Will become 70,000 for us. Because 5,000 are for installation of machinery. Sales will be credited in your memorandum trading account. Goods taken by proprietor, they have given you sale value. It will be credited to the memorandum trading account, number 1. Secondly, it will not be credited at sale value, it will be credited at cost. So I want to know what is the amount of cost of this particular item which is taken by him for his personal use. Then they have given a cost of goods sent to the consignee, means outgoing of the goods, right? On what date? 20th September 2013. That means within this period they have sent goods to the consignee which are still unsold with him. That means ये goods अपना गोडाउन छोड़ के तो चला गया है, बिका नहीं है, मेरे पास नहीं है, मेरे consignee के पास है. But anyway, for us it is outgoing of goods which will be credited. ये goods मेरे गोडाउन में नहीं था जब फायर लगा था. Free sample distribution at cost. So it will be also credited at cost. This is what we have to do. Have you understood this up to now? Okay. let's start preparing your memorandum trading account. Now tell me student, why we prepare memorandum trading account? We prepare memorandum trading account so that we can find out the amount of stock as on the date of fire. Is that fine? Chalo, let's start preparing your memorandum trading account. See, it is how you will prepare your memorandum trading account. Memorandum trading account. Memorandum trading account, right? It is covering which period? Look at your question. Look at your question. It is covering which period? See, it is a period from 1st April up to the date of fire, which is 30th September. So it will be prepared for this period. So I am writing the period also in the bracket for our ready reference. So this is for the period 1st April 2013 to 30th September 2013. Correct. So now we are ready with the format of your memorandum trading account, and now we can write all our details which are needed. Now let us go through. In your question, they have mentioned this opening stock. I told you where to write it. It is to be written on the debit side of your memorandum trading account. So come to the debit side of your memorandum trading account, and here you write to opening stock. What is the amount of opening stock given? Opening stock amount is given rupees 1,20,000. ये amount है 120. 1,20,000 will be recorded in the outer column of your memorandum trading account. Next amount, you can notice they have given your purchases made on this date. So let us write purchases to purchases. Amount of purchases given is 2,40,000. 2,40,000. After purchases, they gave you wages. They gave you wages which include installation wages of machine rupees 5,000. So how much amount of wages I will consider? 70,000. But I will write every detail here. So I will write here two wages. In inner column, I am writing 75,000. From that, I will minus capital nature wages. I will minus capital nature wages minus installation wages wages for machinery. Wages for machinery. Amount given is 5,000. So you minus 5,000 from here, so that in outer column you will get the amount of 70,000. Okay. Then next thing to be considered is sales. Sales is given 3,10,000. So let us write sales by sales. Amount of sales given is 3,10,000. 3,10,000. Then they have given you goods taken by proprietor sale value. Will you record sale value? No, we will record only cost, because जब proprietor goods withdraw करता है तो वो cost पे withdraw करेगा ना, वो थोड़ी ना selling price पे withdraw करेगा, है ना. हम लोग खुद से ही profit नहीं charge करेंगे. Definitely it will be credited, but it will be credited at cost. So on credit side of your account, you please write buy goods withdrawn, buy goods withdrawn by proprietor, by proprietor, and your amount is, sale value is given, goods withdrawn by proprietor, the sale value is given, sale value given is 25,000. Now students, how I will find out what is cost price? सिंपल है यार, बचपन में सीखा होगा, सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट। जरा चेक करो क्या अपने क्वेश्चन में प्रॉफिट रेंज दिया हुआ है? अपने क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे उन्होंने ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेट आपको दिया हुआ है जो 20% है, जो कितना है 20%। तो आई कैन से इसके अंदर से मेरा प्रॉफिट माइनस हो जाएगा 20%। 20% of 25,000 will become how much? Is that 5,000? Right? तो 5,000 अगर हम लोग माइनस कर देंगे तो we will be able to get what is the cost of the goods withdrawn by proprietor. Is this confirm? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Next amount to be considered is cost of goods sent to the consignee on 20th September 2013 lying unsold with him. Means can I say goods are sent out? Means there is outgoing of goods. So on credit side I am writing by goods sent on consignment. What is the amount of goods sent on consignment? Can you please check out? Amount is 18,000, right? So let's write down the amount of 18,000. Next thing they have given you is free samples distributed at cost. At cost, ये हमेशा cost पे ही होना चाहिए. Goods withdrawn for advertisement purpose. It will be always recorded at cost. Okay. Chalo, let's write 2,500. Now you can notice students, we have recorded everything which was there in this data or in this table. चेक करो क्या कोई अमाउंट छूटा तो नहीं है? चेक करो आपका ओपनिंग स्टॉक था जो हम लोगों ने डेबिट में लिख दिया, परचेसेस हम लोगों ने डेबिट में लिख दिया, वेजेस जो 75,000 था उसके अंदर कुछ इंस्टॉलेशन वेजेस थे जो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे माइनस कर दिए, आपका वेजेस हो गया 70,000। ऑन क्रेडिट साइड we have recorded sales amount which is 3,10,000, goods taken by proprietor जिसका आपको अवेलेबल था सेल वैल्यू 25,000, जिसके अंदर से मैंने प्रॉफिट माइनस कर दिया 20% which is 5,000, तो आपका अमाउंट हो गया कॉस्ट उसका 20,000। देन बाय गुड्स सेंट ऑन कंसाइनमेंट, आप चेक करो आपका कंसाइनमेंट में जो गुड्स सेंड किया था आपने, ये मैंने यहाँ पे क्रेडिट कर दिया। फ्री सैंपल्स गुड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एट as free sample, so that will be credited. I think every data is there. Now to complete the trading account, I need to apply here GP ratio so that I will get the amount of gross profit in the current period. So let us come on the debit side. I am writing here to gross profit, to gross profit. स्टूडेंट यूजुअली ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट जो होता है वो बैलेंसिंग फिगर होता है। हम लोगों ने बचपन से सीखा है कि ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे बैलेंसिंग फिगर आता है, बट एज वी नो कि हियर जीपी रेट इज गिवन, तो जीपी कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड अप्लाइंग जीपी मार्जिन ऑन योर अमाउंट ऑफ सेल व्हिच इज 3,10,000। ओके, तो ऑन 3,10,000 वी विल अप्लाई 20%, we will apply 20%, so let us write here 20% on sale. What is the amount of sale in the in this example? 3,10,000 multiply by 20%. If you calculate, your amount has to be 62,000. चेक करो तो आपका अमाउंट मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया 62,000। कंफर्म। तो अभी आप चेक कर सकते हो आपका ये डेबिट साइड कंप्लीट हुआ है। वी हैव रिटन ऑल डेबिट साइड आइटम्स, बट हियर वन अमाउंट व्हिच इज मिसिंग, दैट इज द क्लोजिंग स्टॉक। सो माय आंसर व्हिच इज देयर बाय closing stock as on date of fire. It is a balancing figure to be calculated on credit side. Now how you will calculate that? Simple है, आपको डेबिट साइड का टोटल लेना है, वही टोटल आपको क्रेडिट साइड में लिखना है, और जो भी डिफरेंस क्रेडिट साइड में आएगा दैट विल बिकम योर स्टॉक एज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर. अंडरस्टूड? चलो, लेट अस टेक द टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड. See the amounts on debit side and start adding those amounts. Your amounts are 1,20,000 plus 2,40,000 plus 70,000 plus 62,000. What is your answer? Is that 4,92,000? Is that 4,92,000? चेक करो बराबर है क्या? 4,92,000, जिसमें से ये ऊपर का जो अमाउंट ये सब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? माइनस कर देंगे. सो फ्रॉम दैट माइनस 3,10,000 minus 20,000 minus 18,000 minus 2,500. Your remaining answer is 141,500. तो सर ये क्या है? ये है हमारा वो स्टॉक जो फायर में जल गया. अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे तो we have followed trading account only, but it is not a part and parcel of books of account. It is prepared for calculation purpose. जैसे कि आप ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनाते हो तो you prepare it with the help of ट्रायल बैलेंस. यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई भी ट्रायल बैलेंस नहीं था, आपको कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दी थी और वो इंफॉर्मेशन को बेस लेके हम लोगों ने ये मेमोरेंडम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनाया, और जिसके अंदर हम लोगों ने डिराइव किया कि हमारा स्टॉक एज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर क्या होगा. हमारा स्टॉक एज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर आपको कितना मिला? 141,500. But is this enough? No. We have to mention what is the amount of claim to be asked from the insurance company. अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे तो आपका क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या है? आपके क्वेश्चन में पूछा है assert in the amount of claim to be filed with the insurance company. So for this purpose we need to prepare something called as a statement of claim. Okay, come on students, we need to prepare a statement of claim. Sir, how it will be prepared? Pay attention. We will draw here statement of claim right. तो हम लोग को बनाने का है स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्लेम. इस तरह से ये अपना स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्लेम बनेगा, ध्यान दो. सो स्टूडेंट, this is how we will prepare our statement of claim. It is like a statement what we prepare. Here you will write particulars. Here you will write amount, obviously rupees. ठीक है? तो how you will write? Pay attention. Firstly, see your memorandum trading account. I think it is there with you. This is what a trading account we have prepared. We have seen that case stock as on date of fire is 141,500. It is my starting point. Okay, so let us write stock as on date of fire. As on date of fire, it was 141,500. So I am writing 141,500. From that we need to minus salvage amount. So look at the question. आपके क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पे दिया है कि ये आपका salvage amount है. Your salvage amount is 27,000. सैल्वेज मतलब क्या, ये गुड जला ही नहीं है, इसको बेच के कुछ तो लॉस रिकवर होगा, तो दिस सैल्वेज आई विल माइनस फ्रॉम द लॉस अमाउंट, दैट स्टॉक अमाउंट. So let us minus salvage. Your salvage amount is 27,000, that we will minus from here. What amount left is amount of loss. What is difference between these two amounts? Let's try to find out. चलो अमाउंट देख लेते हैं. 141,500 माइनस 27,000 तो कितना आता है? इज दैट 114,500? चलो 114,500 ये हो गया मेरा अमाउंट ऑफ लॉस. ये मेरा लॉस वाकई में हुआ है. मेरा गुड्स तो जल गया 141,500, लेकिन इसमें से मैं रिकवर कर सकता हूं 27,000. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, स्टूडेंट, will company pay me this entire amount of loss? For that purpose, insurance company will say what is the amount of policy. Your policy amount is 75,000. Now tell me, you have taken a policy against what? Loss of stock. तो कंपनी चेक करेगी, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी चेक करेगी क्या आपने स्टॉक ये अमाउंट के जितना रखा है या उससे ज्यादा रखा है. ये अमाउंट तक का स्टॉक आपको 100% क्लेम मिलेगा. इससे बियॉन्ड रहेगा तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी की बोलेगी कि आप लोग प्रोपोर्शनेट अमाउंट ले सकते हो. दैट प्रोपोर्शनेट अमाउंट जो आप ले सकते हो, इसको टेक्निकली बोला जाता है एवरेज क्लॉज. तो विच टू फिगर्स वी विल कंपेयर हियर? वी विल कंपेयर हियर अमाउंट ऑफ पॉलिसी विथ स्टॉक एज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर. आपका स्टॉक एज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर कितना था? 141,500. तो फर्स्टली वी विल चेक वेदर एवरेज क्लॉज इज एप्लीकेबल. आई होप आपका एवरेज क्लॉज एप्लीकेबल हो रहा है. तो स्टॉक एज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर is compared with policy amount. Is compared with policy amount. Now tell me, what is your stock as on date of fire? Your stock as on date of fire is 141,500. जबकि आपका पॉलिसी अमाउंट कितना था? 75,000. So policy amount will be taken 75,000. Now कोई भी बता सकता है कि स्टॉक ज्यादा है पॉलिसी कम है, तो कहने से मेरा स्टॉक अंडर इंश्योर्ड है. मेरा स्टॉक अगर अंडर इंश्योर्ड है तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बोलेगी तुम लोगों ने पॉलिसी लिया उस टाइम पे तो 75,000 का स्टॉक बोला था और अभी गोडाउन में कितना रखा है? 141,500. तो हम लोग आपको पूरा क्लेम का अमाउंट नहीं दे सकते हैं, हम लोग आपको प्रोपोर्शनेट अमाउंट दे सकते हैं, जिसको हम लोग टेक्निकली क्या बोलेंगे? एवरेज क्लॉज. तो हियर आई विल राइट एवरेज क्लॉज इज एप्लीकेबल. देयरफॉर एवरेज क्लॉज is applicable. Understood? चलो, if average clause is applicable तो claim amount कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे सर? Your claim amount is equal to claim amount is equal to amount of loss मल्टीप्लाइड बाय पॉलिसी अमाउंट. याद है मैंने बताया था, पॉलिसी अमाउंट डिवाइडेड बाय स्टॉक एज ऑन डेट of fire. It is how you will draw the formula for claim amount when there is an average clause. Sir, how you will write the amount? अरे simple है. Now तो everyone can tell me how to fill up the amount in this formula. Now tell me, what is your amount of loss? Amount of loss is 1,14,500. So 1,14,500 multiplied by policy amount. What is your policy amount? 75,000 upon stock as on date of fire. What is your stock as on date of fire? 141,500. Correct? So I need to find out what is this amount. Chalo, let us find out. Into 75,000 divided by 141,500. Your policy amount, your claim amount is 60,689. Let's once again reconfirm it. 114,500 amount of loss multiplied by policy amount, which is 75,000, divided by 141,500. Your amount is 60,689. Understood? तो आपका क्लेम अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा? 60,689. So let us write our answer in a proper way. Your answer is amount of claim is equal to rupees 60,689. In this way, I have completed your question number 1. For any doubts, you can put your comments below this video. Thank you.